this is your Mommy Duklos TV. Again. It's a working day. Oo, duty na naman ulit ang mami nyo. Ay, ano no, early morning, grabe, I'm sweating. Grabe kainit. Oo. Right now here in Davao is too hot. Unsay temperature karon? Sobra kainit. So guys, all my kiddos, entire world, early morning, your mom is sweating because the environment is too hot. Creek kasi yan. That's why there is a water, nag-spill over. Anyway, oo. May pundo may creek. Kasi all the waste sa kana mga naadya pa ingon. Anyway, so this is how I look today. All of us. It's past 10 o'clock already. So I have to go to my clinic, my dear. My dearest kiddos. Yesterday is a Labor Day, so no work. Oo, I'm with my family. Now work again. I am on duty here in Davao City. So I am on my way going to my clinic. So this is your mom. So I look. Good morning, good morning. Yesterday, I think yesterday or the other day. Yesterday, Tatay Chitro is PM me regarding the show of collaboration show of Mix Molino and Chris Lawrence pala yung kanyang kapartner doon sa show. Oo, kasi hindi ako kabisado sa mga singer, So, Chris Lawrence is his collab. That's why, although that there is no fixed date yet, I advance it announcement para sa mga fans ni Mix Molino here in Davao, makapag-ipon na kayo para pambili ng ticket. Oo. So, we discussed that with Tatay Jitro kasi sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, it's too early to announce kasi wala pa tayong fixed date. Sabi ko, mabuti na yun ina-announce ko ng advance para yung mga fans na gustong harutan kay Mix Molino, at least makapag-ipon na sila ng pera pambili ng ticket. Kasi kung i-announce na malapit, so hindi kayo makapag-ipon. So, lahat ng mga fans ng aking bunso Mix Molino, by August, no fixed date yet by August, they have collaboration show with Chris Lawrence. I don't know where the venue is. Basta meron siyang may incoming event sila si bunso dito sa Davao. So, that's why I also i-block ko na rin yung second week of August. Na I should be here. Gusto ko rin manood. So anyway, mag-ipon-ipon na kayo. Para makikita nyo ulit si Bunso Mix Molino. No need for you to go to Manila for the meet and greet, but you can do the meet and greet with Mix Molino on his arrival or after the show or within the show. So you can meet him. So that is my update for my Mamigs, Mix Molino community. So that's it. That's how it is. So guys, your mom is having the updates and also the updates for Limino. He's still ongoing on his shooting, preparation for the projects. There are sabay-sabay kasi ang projects So both of them are too busy preparing the meet and greet and events. So that's how naging nanay ako sa dalawa ngayon. So anyway, this is your mom. Ganda kaya ng nanay nila, no? Meron nagko-comment doon. Matawa ako sa nag-comment. Tapos nag-react naman yung isang anak ko na fans, galit na galit. Sabi niya, kapal naman ito, nagbabash pa. Akala mo kung maganda naman siya. Kasi nga, nag-bus siya, kasi yung aming, Dawit ni Migs, o yung sa Singapore niya na, Singapore niya na show, ayaw niya, yung fan na yun ni Migs Molino, ayaw niya makita mukha ko. Ayaw niya sa mukha ko. So, nag-react naman yung isang anak ko, nagagalit. Sabi ko, huwag kayong magalit. Kasi hindi lahat na tao nakagusto sa iyo. So, kung ayaw nyo sa mukha ko, di, huwag kayong manood. Ganun lang yun. Di ba? That's it. Hindi naman namin sinabi ni Bunso na, manood kayo. Kung ayaw nyo sa mga mukha namin, or mukha ko, or mukha ni Mix, so be it. Oo. Hindi naman kami namimilit. Kung ayaw nyo na kay Bunso, kung ayaw nyo kay Tatay Jetro, hindi naman namimilit yung tao kasi hindi naman kayo pinipilit na manood. So, ganun lang yun. Di ba guys? Kailangan lang natin happy-happy lang tayo, ha? Huwag na tayo mag-entertain ng negative. Gusto ko masaya lang parati. That's why I joined this social media for fun. Not for ayaw ko mangangaway. Oo. Pero minsan, malditang mami nyo. Pero tawanan ko lang kayo. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Kung ayaw nyo sa tao, huwag kayong manood. Kung gusto nyo, panoorin nyo. Kung ayaw nyo, huwag kayong manood. Ganun lang yun. Kaya hindi kami namimilit. Okay. So that is the updates of Mommy Duclos TV. So good morning to everyone. Medyo maldita ng konti ang mami nyo ngayon. Nung nabasa ko yung comment na yon. Buti na lang, meron akong, grabe itong mga anak ko talaga, no? Depender. Buti na lang, hindi nabasa ng aking mga vloggers. Mga anak ko na vloggers, pag nabasa yun, patay ka. Baka makaparehas ka doon sa isang, hindi na ako magsabi kung sino. So, yun. Kasi ayaw nila yung mami nila nilalait. Kasi bihira lang daw sila makakita ng magandang mami. Okay guys, be positive. Mwah! I love you all. Ganun, tawanan lang daw, happy lang according to mahal. And Mix Molino, happy lang. Diba? All my kiddos, entire world, and my Mix Molino squad. Good morning to all of you, OFWs, wherever you are right now. This is your Mommy Doc. Syempre naman, I always support my adopted son, Mix Molino. Kahit hindi kami magkasama sa mga meet and greet, but we still do the contact, with Tatay Jet, kung anong mga ginagawa nila na events, sinasabi naman nila sa akin. So if I have time, I will join. But if I am busy, hindi naman sila namwersa sa akin na, Mami, kailangan nandun ka talaga. So, kahit wala ako doon in presence, but my heart is there. So, all the time, my support to my son is there, Tatay Jetro, at saka sa aking mga anak na mga vloggers. Andyan pa rin ang puso ng mami nyo. Hindi ako nawawala. Hindi ako nawawala sa ere. There are times lang talaga na kailangan ko ito ang i-promote ko, ito naman ang i-promote ko, so hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay. So, minsan magkasabay. So, ganun lang yun. Ako naman, promoter lang. Taga-endorse lang. So, gusto ko lang happy lang. Ito pa namang edad ko, gusto ko happy moments all the time. Ayoko yung mag-entertain ng negative. So, guys, this is your Mommy Doc. Bye-bye. I love you all.